Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today. And of course, welcome on in to This Is How You Make It with John David Burdahl. Good morning,
Hello.
John.
Hello, everybody.
One and only.
Yes, we made it to Wednesday, right?
We did.
We're
Hallelujah.
here.
And this is Jess's first time being looped into one of these segments.
It is. And I'm excited. I've already been shown some pictures about what we're going to make.
Whoa, yes.
And yeah, very America themed, of course. 250th anniversary.
Yes, called the Semiquincentennial.
Woo!
There you go.
Yes.
Say that 3 times fast.
No. That's not the biggest word I know. I could say that a little later, right? But anyway, so yeah, so this is what we're going to be making today. And it's a sort of, I don't know, 250 USA sort of pennant.
Yeah.
You know, we talked about making it out of felt. You know, one of the cards had said that, out of this Get Crafty sort of jar. And so I did get felt. It seems a little sort of, you know, I don't know about weak.
A little flimsy.
But yeah, a little
But
flimsy.
more flag-like
Yeah,
quality, though,
definitely.
if you
Yeah,
wanted to string them
definitely.
together.
You know?
That's a
and
good
make like a
point.
little banner.
Sure, absolutely. Yeah,
Decorating
if
for a
you must.
250th.
Make 250 of them and
Oh,
there we
that's
go.
what we're going to do today, the whole show?
That's commitment.
She just made
Yeah,
the
I
promise.
said it, so
I
we
believe
got to do it.
Yep.
All right.
Okay, and so yeah, I did cut out already some pieces
Yes.
for you of this sort of, I don't know, paper, this sort of, you know, I guess kind of cardstock paper. And yeah, so I had worked on this piece right here, and I think it turned out rather well.
It's fabulous.
You know,
It's
yeah,
perfect.
And
So, what different materials did you use for that?
and so I got some straws because we had also talked about making straw flutes.
Oh,
you know?
yes.
And maybe I'll do that because I still have them here, you know, while you two are working. Maybe I'll just kind of, or what I had thought about doing was attaching the straw flute to the back and just kind of, whoo, you know.
You very well could.
Make it musical.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, make everything musical, right? That's what we're
Why
supposed
not?
to do.
And you were talking a little bit about why we're going with the orange
Yes,
here.
why did I
because
give you orange and why did I give you blue? Okay, so orange and blue, I've asked this before. What types of colors are they?
Complimentary.
Yes.
I know, it's just
It
on the
takes
tip
me a
of both
second.
of our tongues.
Right.
That was a great save on my part. I'm watching you like, it's a thing. John, not on
100%.
live television.
I was thinking primary, secondary, and I'm like, wait, this isn't adding up here.
Well,
Orange
yeah,
and blue are
that
not
is a
in the same
secondary,
family.
and that's a
But-
primary.
Fireworks.
Yes,
so 4th
fireworks.
of July,
So
we've
she's
got
gonna
the
work on one of
fireworks.
the fireworks, and you can work
Yeah.
on one, yeah, with sort of, I don't know, circles and sort of
Yeah.
decorations and
Okay.
letters. And yeah, there we go. And so I do have some rulers here to place, and how I put these sort of strips on here, and I've got some of that there. We'll see if we actually, we'll see if we finish this one, you know. But yeah, and then I put these white sort of pads on there just for the sake of time.
We
you
love
know,
these
yeah,
foam pads.
double-sided, yeah. And so that's what I did. I just put them in a line, and that's what the rulers are for,
Okay.
right here. So you can keep
All
it straight.
right.
There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, and so I worked on this. Didn't take very long at all. Didn't take that, I mean, very, very quickly.
I
do
mean, are
think.
we talking a good craft for kiddos here?
Oh, certainly. Yes, yes, definitely. You know, handling some of the scissors, you know, watch out. Maybe, you know, mom or dad ought to do that, or an individual who, I don't know, is familiar with scissors or acquainted with scissors, much more so than someone else is. Yeah, and so I just began to place certain items on there, and I would punch holes in the corners, definitely,
Oh,
you know,
to
put some
string
of
it?
the, yeah, put some of the string through, and I got some of this at Walmart. Rather inexpensive.
Easy enough,
All
yeah.
of this is just so inexpensive, you know, and making certain that, yeah, we have like these foam sorts of shapes, you know, so the stars, you know, I didn't have to cut those. Those are on
Yeah.
sale. USA,
Yeah,
these
these are
foam
nice
letters.
to
you
make
know,
it super
just
simple.
so fast, right?
I was going to say sensory-wise, too. This is awesome. I mean,
Yes.
kiddos can be feeling the foam, playing with the strings.
Oh, yeah.
Playing the pan flute.
Something
If
like
they're
that.
musically inclined,
Get that
indeed.
hands
Exactly.
out. Yes. You know, I was reading that, I think it was John Quincy Adams actually had an alligator in the White House.
What?
Yes.
Knock it off.
Okay.
Well,
That's quite
unfortunately, we can't bring an alligator in our studio, but
Not yet.
Well, not, I mean,
not yet.
Yeah,
not,
not
yet.
yet.
We
Not
gotta get
yet.
permission.
Yes, I just left the alligator out in the vehicle. I rolled the window down, so don't worry.
Oh, thank goodness.
Yeah.
We
Well,
got somewhere.
we
That's
go.
all
Oh,
I'll
good,
say.
good.
It wasn't far, but we
Good.
got somewhere.
Yep.
yes, and you guys at home know the drill by now. We are going to continue working through the commercial break, and we'll be right back with more. This is how you make it. Stick around.